Today I'm making a super immune boosting juice. Turn on the juicer. Begin adding the fruits and vegetables in no particular order. Today I'm using carrots, apples, ginger, beetroot, oranges, lemons, and blueberries. I chose these fruits and vegetables for my juice because they all contain high amounts of vitamin C, antioxidants, and have anti-inflammatory properties. I don't usually peel my fruits and vegetables. I like to get all the nutrients out of them as I can, although you must make sure you wash them very well. Also, I find this combination of fruits and vegetables tastes really good. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Turn off the juicer once you've added all the ingredients. Give it a quick stir, pour, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.